didn't invite me, Ali. Come and join the vlog.
Teutenos.
Siopakyo.
Shop. Yeah, Siopakyo. I don't know. Sing go.
From where?
Morgomacho. Morgomacho chalo.
Ay, baba.
Kite.
Zai tanti zai.
Namak na ka to ha. Good morning, morninga.
Good morning.
Teo bordis teo somestang. Morgo.
Yo bore this thing saklyang kani somestang.
Sharana कोंकणी सारखी इंटरेस्टिंग लागत आमकां.
Don't say like that.
अगं उलय गो
Because it'll get viral then. It'll get viral.
एलाय सगळी इतके सहाय म्हणते एलाय तेका लागून तिका इंग्लिश आयकपाची कोंकणी तेगे पानी सारखी.
Everybody says even your Konkani is funny.
My Konkani is not
Yeah,
funny.
they say that.
I am proper Sashtika. That is why my Konkani is funny, guys. Mess. Santam shaw pitay. Kalche barbecueचे pork आणि chicken कोळी. ऐसे सांगो एशकोन आम साष्टिका तेशकोन उलय नाही एशकोन आता and what हाल्या where we say फाल्या हाल्या पोरा और आते हाल्या ताई. But I think I've got some words that I don't pronounce correctly. For example, I say niste, but I think you say
The other word is not coming in my mouth now. In my mind, I mean.
mind. What is that?
What do you say? Something else.
What I say?
Why is the stick in this like this? Is it good for the haldi?
Ask Natasha. What is it?
Matchstick.
Oh,
Why?
I don't know.
We need to know the secret of a
Nata-
matchstick being in
Yeah. Sharonange egg frying दाखवते का सारखे different भाषेत. She put what and what not. She put jeera. She put chili powder. She put turmeric.
This is the masala egg.
Masala egg.
And I like to have it this way.
I go मोड नाताशाचा एक गो व्लॉग चैते दोणांचा इथे गे वस्तू डयता.
This is masala egg. You try it once, you're going to have it again and again.
Okay, that's a Sharona recipe breakfast. Now she's going to add crushed pepper to it.
I like it spicy. Then you don't even need any curry. You can just have it on its own.
Then I'm gonna try it next time then.
Masala egg.
I'm gonna try now.
Hey, you said you don't want, and I made.
You
only
can't
for
even
me.
share one small
Okay.
bite. You can see
I'll give
so stingy.
I'll give you.
Okay, now she's adding salt, guys.
That's it.
आणि किती घाता?
Then
I'll take. Sharona ge egg tasting time. I'll take more masalas.
yeah, that's why I was going to. Salt, I don't know though.
It's nice.
Take more, no?
No, I'm done. I don't want to go.
Take this. Take all that.
Good. Thank you. It's nice. Especially for a person like me who I don't like to eat my egg on its own. And that's why I buy Szechuan sauce and put Szechuan on it.
That's the easiest way then.
Just fry the egg, no? And put spread Szechuan and flip it. It gives a nice burnt flavor.
Yeah, then it is like if you're putting all these Szechuan has all that in there, na?
Yeah, everything. That is why I love the Szechuan sauce, no? Sharonange egg fast salim. Got flavor, that's why. Now say something interesting so that my viewers will enjoy something you say.
Yeah. How pa egg?
Yeah, too, yeah.
Yeah, go.
Yeah,
You
go
say
say.
something different, no?
Okay, say something in your Konkani.
Now my Konkani has become so good.
Oh. First the Konkani was
It's
so
bad.
funny.
Now it becomes so good because in UK I only speak Konkani more than English.
See, my father-in-law did not know Konkani. He used to speak only Portuguese. Then he learned Konkani. Even now, daddy's Konkani is better, no? Mummy, she used to speak only English. That is why we all of us speak only English. I, Sharon, Natasha, we only speak in English even because Natasha was speaking in English before. Her Konkani is also a bit funny. हम चाड़ोई था एक में कामुंगे बऱ्या नको. So North Konkani, they have this voice modulations. I feel. Yeuten yo, Teuten os.
Shoppak yo.
Shop. Yeah, Shoppak yo. I'm head pa yo, Jopa yo. Asia, Asia, and there's just like nice voice modulation session. Kide korta? I kide ranla like that like. I kide ranila. Amge sarga straight hoita Sashtika ranle.
They like speaking the tunes.
Natasha is from Diwar, so tege Konkani is completely different.
Like if you go to Arambol where mummy's family stays, how they speak like Hindu people.
Yeah.
And I thought they were Hindus, but they were Christians and not Hindus.
Yeah.
But can we say that? Christians and Hindus?
No, it's about the accent, no? We are. I'm Sashtika Sarkim. Straight.
Hi, good morning or good day.
Whatever.
Here we are roaming in
Hayes town.
Hayes town, going for fish shopping.
Fish shopping, meat shopping.
Yeah.
Tang your boy there.
Look at the attire for fish shopping.
We are tourists.
Check out-
We are tourists.
Check out the attire for fish shopping.
No, that is what. No, we are tourists. Tourists need to dress well. We are not locals like here. I'm like, we are not from Hayes. So, Masham get jits up, but I violation on me. Think I roam like water sometimes because nobody knows me over there. And when I do not vlog that time,
Okay, we'll see you in some time when we reach
we are going to buy
To-
beef tongue.
to our destination.
We'll cross here, I think. Looks better, I feel, no? Amasha's June, so I don't know. Sorry, excuse me, please. Sorry, thank you. In some bazaar ko naila bore kaina.
Okay, we are finally here. Going to Sam's Fish Fresh Seafish, sorry.
I think right behind you also. See? Oh, nice manika. Sorry.
What do you want?
I want prawns. Sultan ke 8 pound kilo, no? But yeah, I'm freshy. I know go, it is heavy go. Now go, it is heavy go.
That way hand is paining.
Nuste. Sharon answer gela, I sungtang gele. Yeah. I sungtang gele and I golden pamphlet gele. Teka ubaro ala hai saman. Agar show will hold go both the sides go. It is heavy this hoda. See like upon muscle lady to muscle lady. हो आको बाजार केला आमी आता आणि आता आमकां चलो जायना गेल so we asked Pitush to come to pick us up now. Sharon किती को इतू शॉपिंग करला
सगळे गेले
ना तो कायगे हम गेले होल्ड को गरमी यहाँ गरम ज्यादा.
Hi. Oi, we are here only. Near the church.
काल इला तिंगाई राव मन सांग. से आमकां इलो फायनली ऑर्पा पिटूश सुसेगाद आमकां बसन शॉपिंग कोन आता इथे आमी आनी हई बिरयानी हाडूं इथे आमी बिरयानी.
आंबे कोणाकोण बरे आंबे हिंगा
अय कोणाकडे नाही थिंग मेटाले हंसलो बरे कितकेत गो शेरॉन. So we are buying biryani. Today Natasha is not there only, no? In our vlog.
You didn't call only. How will I be?
She's running. See. And yeah,
Oh, you didn't call me only.
Yeah, you didn't call me only. How would I be without calling? No.
We are just assuming, I think, that
see.
you won't come and all.
Yeah, I think no. Now that she has double duty.
Like today, we didn't want to buy biryani. I wanted to go to some Goan thing to eat. But I wasn't sure whether you're going to come out or what.
Yeah, for lunch. Now
That's why I was asking now what you all are doing, staying or not.
Sharon wanted to stay. That is why I stayed now because I know she wanted to stay.
I said for me anyway was okay.
I got only one.
Bow. Too much of bow.
Go. Say something. You were not in our vlog. In the vlog since morning, it's only me and Sharon. Kesha,
The vlogger didn't invite me only.
I-
Come and join the vlog.
now I'm inviting her. Yeah. Now I'm inviting. Say something.
Say something. What to say?
We are now watching Fabulous Life of Bollywood Wives, and now let's pretend as if we are also like that. And the way I'm recording now is like similar to them only actually.
Yeah.
She is obsessed with that actually. Go. You happy now that we stayed another day?
Yeah, very much happy.
Then are you going to come to our place?
Of course.
Now we got holiday homes now. One Leicester holiday home, one
Milton Keynes.
Milton Keynes. Now for me Leicester and this London holiday homes. Yeah. Now it's good because like 1 hour distance.
But still, you all don't have time to come and meet the youngest sister-in-law.
Younger. Yeah. No.
Very busy.
Busy.
Everybody's
Busy vlogging
Yeah.
all the time.
Busy vlogging all the time. My goodness. They also don't come to meet me, huh? Blame her and this one also. This one. She got time to go to all the cafes.
Busy vlogging
No,
all the time.
this one got time to go to all the cafes.
You know, I'm doing food vlogging.
Then why don't you bring something there?
Whatever you know, you get fresh ones. So that's nice, you know, right? But sometimes other places also you might get nice, which we don't know. That way I'm saying. Like my canteen, like how you're saying, Botwell, like that hot, nice hash brown, sausage, bacon, everything, English, mushrooms, then the beans, everything nice, fresh, hot you get there. So maybe I could go there only and eat. So cheap and good. Wait. More padala.
Nicely you were talking. So I was like, let me record you nicely. Babe, you're talking about some promotion of Botwell things. Weatherspoon. That is Natasha's favorite and ours is Wagamama.
My favorite Weatherspoon.
I don't have
Anything.
I like to explore, but then the kids like Wagamama.
What this thing?
We all like Weatherspoon.
Yeah.
Open the breakfast.
We were planning to go to Weatherspoon actually. No.
Which is Indian spice?
They were calling me to come to Weatherspoon. We have extended our stay. Instead of leaving today, we are leaving tomorrow. But now nothing is happening. There's no action right now. Sharon, what did you find?
What did I find?
Mortale आता हुई बो बेजारे ऐसा हम कहाँ Natasha Lidong Kelo, I'm bestie Mali, I am bestie Japki types. But now I'm like bored, I want to go out somewhere.
Yeah, you had your power nap and you got up and
Got
now...
Who told you? You can see she has got such a big space for herself where she's
You
like.
had your power nap and now you got the energy. Yeah.
But I was not like sleeping. I could nonsense, don't lie. I could hear literally whatever they were speaking on the TV. Shut up, anything. Look, she has got so much place, and look at me. I've got this little compact space here.
Yeah, compact space, that's broad enough. Hi, cheers. At last we have reached the chai wala because I don't know where these people's plans are going. We decided to come here and have some
What? Milk cake. I ordered
dessert.
pistachio milk cake or green man. So she ordered matcha. What you ordered? Matcha what?
Cinnamon, vanilla matcha.
Oh, she loves some matcha.
I just like to drink
Something cold.
That's
So I'm like, I'm mulling garna on kit ko tuli beja rehta le. I'm dogai bai sarya ne ni bistin solot. So see, I'll show you what I. Ooh, look at this. Honestly, I've never tried milk cake, and my feed was Instagram feed was like milk cake, milk cake, milk
It
cake.
tastes nice.
Yeah,
It tastes nice.
I'm like,
And
you
we
try.
didn't find any better place to go over here. So seriously, I'm searching for some nice dessert places or
Yeah.
not only dessert.
No, I think it's very good.
Don't worry about all that stuff. 9 times out of 10, I've been contacted with all the architects just to understand what's going on. And then to make sure that technically it results.
Mangodu ko na is. But
I don't know why I got cough suddenly.
where?
Somebody tickling me.
I'm like, and it's nice. मग सायन्सा जात म्हळ्यार ताण आनी पडो लागतलो.
Yes, Saiba.
Which is matcha? Which matcha was better, the B-Town or this one?
Similar like I think. Taste this.
Swap.
Big piece came out.
Same like. I'd like the matcha you bought that day, Banafe matcha, no? मागीर हांवें शेरोन बरी भोवली आनी मागीर तेंगे फोन येयलो तुमी न्हय काय म्हूण मागीर हांव मेलिंग घरा एक्चुली हांव वचपा आहलोली म्हळ्यार मागीर नाताशा फोर्स करलो आहलें आनी एक दीस राव सो हांव मागीर रावली आनी मागीर चिंतिल्लें इवनींग भुरग्यां बेगीन हूंय बोलिंगा या म्हूण सो मागीर आमी सगळीं गेलीं बोलिंगा एअरपोर्ट बोल that was good. Put. Put. मागीर आमी थिंगा म्हळें एअरपोर्ट बोलारी डिनर करुया भुरग्यां बीन थिंगा फ्रायज केले बर्गर्स बी केले आनी आमी सोमतीं थिंगा जेली आनी मागीर बेश्टे अक्स ब्रिज ते शिलाँग ड्रायवा वचून येयली ना तशें म्हणून लागलें डिजर्ट्स खावपा या बट देन आय वॉज नॉट इन फेवर ऑफ डिजर्ट्स दॅट इज हांव म्हळें नाका कित्याक बाब तो बी न्हिदलोलो सो हांव म्हळें लेट्स जस्ट गो फॉर अ लॉंग ड्रायव एंड देन गो बॅक होम यू सीट Ago, you sit. Wait, I'm also going. Wait. Sit down. Wait. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Come. Natasha, come, go. It is a blessing. Chenna tuka tuge sister-in-laws tuge vibe match karpa metai. Honestly, couldn't have asked for more. Both the sides, even my brother's side and my husband's side. Blessed with the best sister-in-laws. Itule amte dus enjoy kela and especially this last thing was like a showstopper. Asan non-stop. I mean, like, we don't get tired or bored of each other because we are fun. Amka ani chota munis dekho na kam tigai barba astana. It is just something next level. And te du sami, I think, sadi kra ele and burgyam bashing hele. Okay, guys. Anyways, I am ending my vlog now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my vlog and thank you for all the love and support. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.